How sweet the name of Jesus sounds in a believer's ear. It soothes our sorrows, heals our wounds, and drives away our fear. It makes the wounded spirit whole, and calms each heart oppressed. It's manna to the hungry soul, and to the weary rest, and to the weary rest. Dear name the rock on which I build my shield and hiding place, my never failing treasury filled with boundless stores of grace. By you my prayers acceptance gain, although with sin defiled. Satan accuses me in vain, since I am God's own child. Since I am God's own child. Jesus, my shepherd, brother, friend, my prophet, priest, and king, my Lord, my life, my way, my end, accept the praise I bring. Weak is the effort of my heart, and cold my warmest thought. But when I see you as you are, I'll praise you as I ought. I'll praise you as I ought. Till then I would your love proclaim with every fleeting breath, and may the music of your name refresh my soul in death. Refresh my soul